Explore FAQs for international patients with WDI Medical Tourism, a top medical tourism facilitator in India. What services does WDI Medical Tourism offer to international patients? WDI Medical Tourism provides end-to-end services, including consultation, treatment planning, travel arrangements, accommodation, and post-treatment care. Real-world scenario: Muslima from the Uzbekistan chose WDI for her brain tumor surgery in India. The team assisted her with visa processing, connected her with a renowned neurosurgeon, and ensured a smooth recovery process. How can international patients trust the quality of healthcare services in India? India boasts world-class hospitals that are accredited by international bodies, ensuring high standards of care. Real-world scenario: Ahmed from the Tanzania underwent heart valve replacement surgery at a JCI-accredited hospital in India through WDI. He was impressed by the expertise of the medical team and the post-operative support he received. What are the cost savings associated with medical tourism through WDI? Patients can save up to 60 to 80% on medical procedures in countries like India compared to Turkey, Thailand, Singapore, or Western nations. Real-world scenario: Maria from US opted for hip replacement surgery in India through WDI and saved thousands of dollars while receiving top-notch medical care. How does WDI ensure a seamless experience for international patients? WDI assigns a dedicated care manager to each patient, who coordinates all aspects of their medical journey. Real-world scenario: David from Kenya traveled to India for a cancer treatment arranged by WDI. His care manager guided him at every step, from airport pickup to post-treatment follow-ups. How does WDI ensure patient safety and compliance with medical regulations? WDI partners with accredited hospitals and follows strict protocols to ensure patient safety and compliance with international healthcare standards. Real-world scenario: Princess from Nigeria underwent a bone marrow transplant in India through WDI, where stringent safety measures were in place, giving her peace of mind throughout the process. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.